Okay, what's up guys? I'm going to be starting a video on this new game I found called basically a knockoff of Minecraft. So here we are, loaded on the world. Try it out. How do you jump? There we go.
This is us at youth, like the teams because of the summer.
What is that? That looks like a mutant warthog. Hey buddy.
Here's this one. This is your team.
Ah! No! Ah! Ah! I thought I'm in creative mode.
You're like
I am.
Team, so you're tired. This is you.
Why are you shooting me in the air? What the heck?
Big.
Ooh, guys, look at that. Cactus. You're in my headphones. I bet you can't even hear me. Doggone it. Alright. What's up, guys? I'm gonna have to restart on this.
Okay, pause.
Wait. Pause. Oh, there is no pause. Oh, more Wi-Fi.
Okay, so what should we build? I think we should build a house.
What?
Red or silver?
Red. What is it?
I have another ad. I'm so sorry, guys. It was an ad for Minecraft. I don't want this. Go away.
Anyways.
Something that I'm good at?
I'm stuck here, guys. I'm gonna have to restart this.
Oh, it's much better with Wi-Fi on.
I am back. Sorry about that. Okay, so here we go.
Wait, I don't remember. Can you still see me?
Is that a gun, guys? It's a musket, guys. We got Minecraft guns.
Can you?
I can barely hear you.
Look at it. Look at it. Okay, so it's...
Can you still see me?
Yeah, I can still see you.
Oh.
Need a little gunpowder. So far this game doesn't seem too horrible. Not sure how much I'm still gonna like it.
Oh my gosh. Max, look at you. Oh, you missed it.
So we got a machete here. Okay, how am I gonna do this here? So this is basically my Minecraft, just a little full of ads. It said in the thing that the only time it runs an ad is when you get out of your inventory. We're gonna see about
Look at
that.
this. You have to see this kid sing. Like, it's crazy.
Great, we got...
Oh, I've seen it.
Oh, wing.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay, so... Okay.
What is this one? Oh, look, it's us. It's both of us. That's you.
So we can go input and so Melvin made
How do you break
This is
it?
me. This is me right here. Uh-huh.
You need help.
Bruh. Oh, I clicked on the wrong button. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll have to edit that out again. I might just connect my controller to you guys. I'm completely
Yeah,
wet.
see,
No
I'm
kidding.
definitely Brazil.
I'm gonna do a couple videos of how I like this. I'm gonna do a video for this, and then I'm going to do a reaction on a video
Seriously, what is the thing that you made me choose?
on YouTube
I'm
Shorts,
too curious.
just to mess around. Saving world. I didn't want you to save world. Oh, autosave. Autosave. Why, man?
I can barely see that.
Again, don't mind the people in the background. It's just my brother talking to his girlfriend.
What is that?
So this game's basically just like Minecraft. Not too horrible. It's kind of laggy, but again, Minecraft is kind of laggy too. Okay, so there's a quick fly mode here.
But it's gonna be a keychain instead of.
Okay, so we're gonna add a layer of this. Okay, there's auto jump.
What
Also,
looking for?
check out a couple more of my videos that I have down there. It's on Clash of Clans and the Panda game that was really gay.
The steps because I forgot to do that.
So yeah, just you know,
Uh,
Because I have to use this and it's like my friend's not.
so yeah, just check them out. Leave a comment. You know, like
what's this?
a thumbs up would just really help. I want to get it to at least 10 subscribers, and then I'll
Oh,
go on to other things. I just want to make sure that my channel will really blow up. Because I know some channels that don't really blow up. So, make it to 10 subscribers, please, guys. So, and then share my videos, of course. So that's really it, guys. This game is not that great. It's not horrible. Okay. So, game's a little laggy. It's not horrible. I could definitely see myself playing this a lot.
Oh, I have to try this. I have to see if this actually works.
Okay, it doesn't have the same break noises. Can you not? I'm on a YouTube video.
I don't care. I was in here first. You're the one who decided to start recording a YouTube video.
What the is this? Oh, it's a deer. Oh, okay.
Adding first color.
Well, anyway, guys, that's all I gotta say for this game. It's not too bad, and I'll check you guys out later. Please check this out. I think it's called. We'll see what it's called now.
I have to see.
It is called. Oh yeah, I also have Facebook and Instagram now, so guys. So check out my Instagram and Facebook thing if you want. It's called multi-build or multi-block or whatever. Just look it up. Alright, love you guys. Bye.